Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon, including the ones that random people bought for me. Some mystery person said, I got this in the mail, it said a gift for you, so I'm assuming one of my fine viewers. Thanks for the videos from High Five. Is that your name, High Five? Or are you saying High Five? Not really sure, but either way, I'm gonna test this mask for you. So let's get it in the clamper. Stop talking. This is, look at that color, what is that?
I like it.
What is it though?
Like a green.
Seafoam green? Now, I really do like it. This is an interesting mask. I like this mask. Glad we're doing this. Glad we're doing this. Glad we set this up. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. We are doing the American ASTM test on this thing so you can see if this thing is going to protect you. Let's look at the listing. I found it. Disposable face mask, 4-ply. Soft face mask, breathable safety. Let's see, are they making any claims in the listing? Caremore, ASTM2. Oh, well, it just so happens that's the test we're doing here today. So I will tell you if they're meeting that standard. I do like the color. That is great. Wider, sturdier ear band. All right, let's open this up. I still like this mask, though. I don't know. I'm not sure if it'll pass the test of Nelson, but we'll see. So this is BFE, PFE 98%, which is ASTM level 2. It says it on the actual listing. Puyan, and this is made in China. I like the box. It's a soft touch box. I like that it looks like it's, actually it's not soft touch. I take it back. It looks like it's, oh, it says it's sterilized. EO sterilized, ethylene oxide. So that means that this mask has actually been sterilized. That's crazy. Great packaging. Wow. Okay, I like that. Oh, look. Wow, that's unique. Okay, I like this mask. This is super interesting. I've never seen this. Look at huge nose wire going all the way across. It's very thick nose wire. Okay. Scalpel. Really thick plastic with just like a small nose wire. It's a unique nose wire. I haven't seen that before. I think they must manufacture. I mean, if I haven't seen something, it's this. Oh my gosh, this Earloop's insane. And then look at this. They've got their company mark right there. I think that's so cool. You don't actually see that on a lot of Chinese masks because what they like. I was told by a Chinese manufacturer, they don't like to put their name on a mask because they like to be able to just sell it in a bunch of different places. And be flexible, and that takes the flexibility away. I mean, we've had people reach out to us who've been like, "Hey, like, we'll buy your mask from you if you can take your name off," and we're like, "No." Earloop's insane. It's the softest earloop I've ever seen in my life. It's pretty strong. It's very strong. It's hugely crazy strong. This is like Herculean strong. I'm embarrassed now that I can't break that thing. Wow. Holy cow. Ugh! I really wanted it that time though because it's an emotional thing. It's about me. I don't want to fail. I want to fail in front of all of you guys. This is a freaking quality mask right here, folks. This is good. Well, we haven't shown the test yet, so let's not be crazy. Smell, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I would call this smell pretty good plastic. Definitely a plastic smell, but I'm not mad about it. And the Earloops, oh my gosh, it's supple. Is it made of a lamb? Is it a lamb skin? Did they put lamb Earloops on here? How many times I'm going to say lamb today? We don't know. Pretty good construction. Smells not too bad. Love the marketing. Love the packaging. Love the color. It's unique. That's the other thing. It's very unique. I like that. They're claiming ASTM level 2, right? Great mask. I mean, quality mask. So like, would they be faking? That's what this machine will tell you. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's do this. Here are the results. Without further ado. Okay, 96.113. 96.113. The breathability was 42 pascals. Super, super breathable. That's a great result. I would be proud of that result if I was, how did we say this? What was it? Caremore? Caremore? But the thing is, they did care more. They cared too much more. And they lied to you about being ASTM level 2. Because that, my friend, is an ASTM level 1 result. That's their only crime, is caring too much. Yeah. Great mask, not meeting the standard. I just did one test. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you appreciated this as much as I appreciated making it. And thank you to High Five, if that's your real name, for sending me these masks. Sorry it took so long. I was up to my ears and eyeballs in respirators, so I couldn't do the surgical mask test for you. We're doing a little competition. If you see this in the first 24 hours, jam a comment, bang a comment out, you might be rewarded. Put a link to the details on that contest, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. That's right, every day at 10 a.m. in 2021. See you then.